Rosalina is an adaptation of an old Samoan legend, so it's basically a contemporary Siva Samoa production.
No one's doing it at the moment, telling myth and legend through Siva Samoa. The only way to tell our stories is to do it ourselves.
Rosalina is about a maiden who has 10 overprotective brothers.
Somehow she gets spiked, she drinks some juice that's spiked by the manusinas. And then I get the blame for it, and the brothers are after me instead of the manusinas, but then I showed them the right way.
I think we started planning at the beginning of last year, talking about different ideas, what legends, what haven't we touched yet, how can we make it different from our prior shows, how can we be different, how can we excite the audience, how can we excite the community, how can we engage them, and I couldn't be happier with a team like this.
Hey, Raz, for you.
Thank you. Struggle is real.
Keep it fresh!
You see a lot of similar Samoan dances, but it's like switched up, so yeah, big ups to the directors and choreographers.
My favorite part was just seeing how traditional dance is evolving into like something more modern and relatable.
Tell the truth, eh?
Yeah, he was crying in there, so. It's so amazing, like for real. It's like, even though like all the practices, the hard work, like late nights, and all the sweat worth it.
When I say keep it, you say fresh. Keep it fresh. Keep it fresh. Keep it fresh.